Emma was a young woman who lived in a small, peaceful town surrounded by green hills and quiet streets. Every morning she followed the same routine: wake up at 7 o'clock, make her bed, eat breakfast, and go to work at the town library. Life was simple, calm, and predictable. But one Saturday morning, everything changed. A strange morning. Emma woke up earlier than usual. A soft golden light filled her room, brighter than normal. She rubbed her eyes and sat up. Outside her window, the sky looked different. It wasn't the usual blue. It had soft ribbons of pink and orange moving slowly, like paint turning on water. "That's strange," Emma whispered. She walked to the window and noticed something even stranger. Her cat, Milo, was sitting still, staring at the sky with wide green eyes. He usually meowed loudly in the morning, but today he was silent. Emma dressed quickly, grabbed her jacket, and stepped outside. The talking tree. As Emma walked down her street, she heard a low, gentle voice. "Good morning." Emma jumped. She looked around but saw no one. "Down here," the voice said again. She turned and gasped. A small tree with soft green leaves and a short trunk was bending slightly toward her. Its eyes, yes, eyes, were carved into the bark. You can talk?" Emma asked. "Only on special days," the tree replied calmly. "And today is a special day. Magic is passing through your town." Emma felt a mix of fear and excitement. What kind of magic? The kind that finds people who need adventure. Follow the path and discover what is waiting for you. Emma took a deep breath. She wasn't sure what she was doing, but she felt brave. She stepped onto the small stone path behind the tree. The hidden garden. The path led her behind houses, across a small wooden bridge, and toward the hills outside town. She walked for almost 20 minutes until she reached a place she had never seen before, a hidden garden. Tall flowers in colors she had never imagined, blue gold, glowing red, silver white, swayed gently. Dragonflies with sparkling wings flew in circles. A soft wind carried a sweet smell. "This place is beautiful," Emma whispered. Suddenly, a soft giggle came from behind a large flower, then another and another. Something tiny flew out. Fairies. Small, glowing, winged fairies hovered around Emma, smiling. "Welcome, Emma," one fairy said. "We've been waiting." "For me?" Emma asked. "Yes," another fairy said. "Today you must help us." The broken light stone. The fairies gathered around Emma and guided her to the center of the garden. There sat a large, bright crystal, but it was cracked. "This is the light stone," the fairies explained. "It keeps our garden alive, but this morning it broke." Emma looked at the crack. Light flickered weakly inside it. "How can I fix it?" Emma asked. The fairies smiled softly. "You don't need tools," they said. "You only need kindness." Emma felt confused. Kindness? But how? "Place your hands on it," the fairy said. Emma knelt and gently touched the stone. She closed her eyes and she thought of everything good in her life. Her family, her friends, her quiet town, her mornings with Milo, her love for helping people at the library. Suddenly, the stone grew warm, then brighter. Then the crack began to close. The entire garden lit up with a soft golden glow. The flowers stood taller. The air sparkled. "You did it," the fairies cheered.
Emma felt her heart fill with warm light. A gift for Emma. Before she left, the fairies handed Emma a tiny glowing seed. "Plant this in your garden," one fairy said. "It will grow into something special, a reminder that magic lives in kind hearts." Emma thanked them and followed the path back home. By the time she reached her street, the sky looked normal again. The talking tree was silent. Milo meowed loudly, finally back to himself. Emma smiled. Everything looked the same, but she felt different. The seed of magic. Emma planted the seed in a small pot near her window. Every day she watered it. Every day it grew. And one morning a small flower bloomed, soft silver petals that glowed gently in the dark. Emma didn't tell anyone about her adventure, but every time she looked at the flower, she smiled. Because she knew magic is real, adventure is always possible, and kindness can change everything.